Hello everyone, today we'll cover 5 Flac to MP3 online converters, 5 websites to convert your audio files from Flac to MP3 and any other file format. Now the Flac format preserves the audio quality, but if you wanna save some space, converting the Flac file to MP3 is a good step. And let's start our list with Online Converge. This website will let you convert any file format, and when it comes to audio files, this website supports all the popular audio files like FLAC, MP3 and WAV. To convert your file to MP3, simply click on Convert to MP3. You can upload the audio file from your computer. You can also paste the URL or upload it from Dropbox or Google Drive. And while the file is uploading, you can change the audio bitrate. You can also change the audio frequency and change the audio channels. If you want a stereo or mono audio file, you can also cut a specific section from the audio file, and you have some extra options to normalize and remove cover art from the audio file. And once the upload is over, you can click on Start. And once the conversion is done, you can download the file as an audio file or as a zip file. And this website also offers a browser extension and an app for Android and iOS if you want to try it. The next website on our list is Free Convert. You can use this website to convert image files, videos, audio files, ebooks, and a lot more. And when it comes to audio files, simply click on Choose File. Now you can select the preferred audio format, and from this gear icon, you can select the audio codec, adjust the volume. You have some extra options to add fade in and fade out and reverse the audio. You can also trim the audio file if you want. And once you're done changing the settings, you can click on Apply Settings. Now to convert your file, simply click on Convert to MP3. And once the conversion is done, you can click on Download MP3. You can also upload the audio file to Google Drive and Dropbox if you want. The next website on our list is Cloud Converge. And just like the other websites we covered today, this website will let you convert any file format. And to convert your audio file, simply click on Select File. Now you can select the preferred audio format. You can also tweak the audio file before you convert it. You can change the audio codec, audio bitrate, audio channels, volume and sample rate, and you can also trim the audio file if you want. And once you're done, you can click on OK. And to convert your audio file, click on Convert. And once you're done, you can listen to your audio file or you can download it to your computer. The next website on our list is Convert.io, another great website to convert your audio files. You can also convert any other file format like images, documents, and videos. They also offer a browser extension that you can try. And to convert your audio file, you can upload it from your computer. You can also upload it from Dropbox or Google Drive. Now you can select your preferred audio format. And just like previous websites, you can cut a specific section from the audio file. You can change the audio codec, bitrate, audio channel, frequency, and volume. And once you're done, you can click on Convert. And once the conversion is done, you can download the MP3 file to your computer, or you can convert more files if you want. And the final website on our list is Zamzar.com. I previously covered this website on this channel, and they offer a desktop app that you can try on your computer. And when it comes to file conversion, you can convert any file format that you want. And to convert your audio file, click on Add Files, select your preferred audio format, then click on Convert Now. And once the conversion is done, you can download your audio file to your computer. Now these are all great websites to convert files online. But if you have a huge library of files, installing a software on your computer will make the process a lot easier, especially if you have a lightning speed connection like me, and keep in mind that you can also convert audio files using VLC Media Player. For more information, you can check my video on how to convert files using VLC Media Player. And of course, if this video was useful, a like will be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe for more interesting websites and tutorials. Until next time, bye.